Do you know you can tell the computer what you want it to do? Yes, you can tell the computer what you want it to do. Today, we'll be learning about coding. What is coding? Coding is the act of telling the computer what you want it to do using codes. Coding is telling the computer what you want it to do using code. And code is the only language that the computer understands. Coding is also known as programming. Yes, you must have heard about programming. Coding is also known as programming. And anybody that writes code is called a programmer or a coder. I'm pretty sure you want to become one. The next one is the genres of coding. We have 4 genres of coding, and the first one is animation design. You can also call it story writing. The second one is application development. The third one is game design. And the fourth one is web design. Animation design or story writing is the process of giving movement to models, images, or inanimate objects. The second one is application development. Application or app for short is setting up a task for your mobile phone, that is your smartphone or your tablet, or on your desktop computer. Third one is game design. Children can learn how to create interesting games using coding, and there are so many applications that you can use for creating your games. A very good example is the Scratch application. Scratch application can also be used for animation, and it can also be used for creating games. The fourth one is web design. Web design is the process of creating or designing or developing websites. And I'm pretty sure you've learned 1 or 2 today. The first one is the definition of coding. Like I said earlier, coding is the act of telling the computer what you want it to do. A person who writes code is called a programmer or a coder. And we have 4 genres of coding. 4 genres of coding. The first one is animation design or story writing. The second one is application development. The third one is game design. And the fourth one is web design. In our next class, we'll be talking more about one of the genres of coding. Are you excited? Because I am. See you in our next class. To learn more about today's topic, you can go through our ICT textbook, Introduction to ICT Book 4.